Alright, so this is my 2022 fireworks stash, final stash of everything that I have accumulated throughout the entire year. Some of the stuff I probably paid a little too much for, but hey, that's how it goes. So I got some of these purple rockets. These are some of my favorite around my area, loudest I can get. Some of these boomerangs are pretty good, but pretty much my entire stash is all right here. It's really hard to even get it in the camera. I was able to find this wild side for a pretty good price this year, so I wanted to grab that. Found these Cracker Belt looking things. Thought those were pretty cool. They kind of smell like roses a little bit. The powder in them smells really weird. My favorite Crazy Kings. Pretty loud little cracker for what they are. Night Watcher, I'm excited for this cake. Seen it, looks pretty good with the mines. Creepy Freak Show, excited for that one. But most of these I'll probably let off on the 4th. Some of them I probably won't. I have a few duplicates of stuff. Always dreaming. I was able to get my hands on some crackers this year. Love my single shots for sure. Gonna keep this guy just for the wrap. Haven't seen this cake in my area, so I went ahead and picked that one up this year. Got the Pulse Pounder from Wenda. Heard that was pretty decent for what it is. Then I got my little single shot collection over here. I'm always popping these things off. Got the Bam Bam tubes. Missile Defense this year. Was able to get them for a fairly decent price, so I thought I'd pick a couple up. Got a Girandola. Never shot one of those, kind of afraid to. Got the HB, of course. Was able to find some old Thunder Bombs. HLF Sound Check. Got some Bunga shells and a case of Masters from 2020. But yeah, that's pretty much it for 2022. Got some miscellaneous stuff over here and some more huge babies. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.